winds to our office. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe